Let's learn some colors and shapes. Dark blue color, grey color, light green color, yellow color, light green color, orange color, light brown color, dark green color, pink color, dark brown color, sky blue color, red color, light brown color, violet color, blue color. This is purple color. Let's draw the shape. This is pie. This is sun. Sun. Trapezoid. Trapezoid. This is trefoil. Semicircle. Hexagon. Hexagon. Green color. Pie. Pie. Pie, green color. Yellow color. Sun. Sun. Red color. This is sun. Sun. Red color. Sky blue color. Trapezoid. 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 Sky blue color. Orange color. Trefoil. 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 Orange color. Light brown color. Semicircle. Semicircle. Light brown color. Pink color. Hexagon. 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 Pink color. Green color, yellow color, red color, sky blue color, orange color, light brown color, pink color. Pie, sun, trapezoid, trefoil, semicircle, hexagon. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.